This is the iPhone 14 Plus, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set Opera to be your default browser app on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch Settings, then scroll the page almost all the way down and find yourself looking at the Apps field, or the field or the section of settings that contains all the installed apps you have. Then find the separate tab for Opera, go for it, enter the Opera dedicated page. In here you'll be able to find the default browser app section which you want to tap on. And once at the following, default browser app page, just tap on Opera, therefore selecting it to be your default app for browsing. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.